Hello and welcome back to this tutorial. In the last video I explained how can I create, run and deploy our project. Now I will explain how can I set a global element and set some properties. So here in our project there is three elements: message flow, global elements and configuration XML. So in message flow here I can design everything. For the global elements, there is all configuration what we need to do in our project. Finally, in configuration XML, for example, there is all configuration, all designing, but with XML. So, for example, here we have the set of our message in transfer message. For example, if I change this message here, hello world, and I do save, I turn to the configuration XML. So I find here this element is changed. I turn to message flow and make an example if there is many file like this in our project. So I need to many configuration global element. For resolve all this, I need to do another way. So what I need to do now is create a new configuration file like this with this name global. Here in the global element I don't find nothing here. So what we need now is going to the configuration XML and take this part and put here in the configuration XML for the global, but make sure to pass before this. We need to do here yes, and I need to save all. So here we don't have any problem in our project. And for make sure to everything it's global, I need to do like this, because here in the global we have this configuration in HTTP listener config. So here we have all interface and the port. What I need to do now is create in the source another file like local properties. So here I have this parameter. And for the port, so what I need to do now is change the global or edit the global with this element or the value existing in local properties. So how can I do this? Dollar, and like this I put here HTTP listener point post, and I need to change here the port with dollar, and I put inside HTTP listener port. I will do OK. So make an example. There is many file here existing in source with many configuration like this configuration. For example, I put another file, I create another file with name dev properties, and I will do copy for this line here. So what I need to do now is synchronize this configuration here with a file existing, for example, local or dev. What I need to do now, first I need to save all this file here, like dev. I turn to global. I need to put create configuration properties. I put here $, point properties. Because all the file finished with point properties, and I put here environment. I put here OK. I need to create again global global property, and the name with env, and I put, for example, local here. I save all things, and I turn to my project, message, and I will run this project. I need to check for deploying to my project in the server. So the project is deployed. I turn to my client REST. I check for this listener. And everything is working. So here I explain how can I set a global element and properties file in Anypoint Studio. So thanks for watching, and in the next time.